मिठाई क्या खा के Hello, good morning. Shall we start? $75. 75. Shall we start? Anyone?
Good morning, sir. Okay.
Good. Shall we start? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Last class we have discussed the bank reconciliation statement. Yeah. Right. Therefore, there are two methods. Number one is the normal balance method. Other one is we call bank overdraft method. We have two. Number one, normal. Normal means favorable. Favorable means again the bank payable to you. Say if you are an organization or if you are dealing with a bank, you have on account. You see you have deposited 100,000 in the bank payable to you 100,000, that is called normal balance or a favorable balance. In the other way around, you have to pay to bank 50,000 payable, that is called bank receivable from you, or you have to pay to bank, that is called bank overdraft position. You can have a normal position or a favorable position, or else you can have a overdraft position. If there is a overdraft position, your record will be vary. Your record is different what we are discussing now. The favorable balance is different. What are the records recorded on the favorable balance totally will be opposed, totally 100% opposed to the overdraft balance. Okay, right. When you look at here, I have loaded the example. When I load the example, look at the example also. I have loaded already document, launch or a zoom, or what is that, a document. Okay, can you see the I will read that account. Can you see this one? According to the cash book of Muhammad, you have, I have loaded today morning. I have loaded. According to the cash book of Mr. Mohammed, there was a balance of 74,800 overdraft on 31st January 2021 in his bank balance. However, his bank statement showed a different balance. On the investigation, you find that. Okay, understood what I am reading? I have loaded. I have loaded this question on BLE. Please look at just now. Today morning I have loaded. Okay, this is the where you can see example of bank reconciliation statement or a exercise of bank reconciliation statement. Okay, right. Can you cut down? If you have question, can you look at after 74,800? I have extra one word overdraft. Can you see that? Can you see that? I following? You have? I have loaded. Please look at your VLE. Before the link, I put the example or exercise on bank reconciliation statement. Can you see that one? Example you have? Yes, sir. Okay. Can you cut down after 74,800? There is a word overdraft. Please cut off overdraft. Overdraft I will do the later because a little bit confusion. I thought we can do the both method. Favorable balance. If you want, I will discuss with the overdraft. First we will finish off the favorable method, then we can move to, after doing the couple of example on favorable balance, we will move to the overdraft. Is it okay now? Yeah, understood everyone? No reply? Everyone understood what I am saying? Everyone understood what I am saying? I have loaded the question on VLE today morning. That is, I don't know whether I have put in the exercise or a example. I put the title example or exercise. Please look at that part. Whether it is example or exercise, please open that. There I am making a one correction. I will read it again. According to the cash book of Mr. Mohammed, there was a bank balance of 74,800. There is no correction. After 74,800, there is a excess word of overdraft. I thought to discuss with you overdraft. Then I thought we will discuss the overdraft later. Finished off the couple of example in the normal balance. Please cut off overdraft. That is the only changes. Okay, understood? As if okay na? $36 and $41. Okay, agree? Why all are silent? Sanuja?
Okay,
Right.
okay.
Okay. Please cut down the word overdraft. After the investigation, however, his bank statement showed, however, his bank statement showed a different balance. On the investigation, you find that check drawn to Mr. Anil amounted to 34,000 were not presented until 2nd February 2021. Look at here, Mr. Mohammed should prepare the bank reconciliation statement for the month of January 2021. After 31st January, even in the 2nd February also did not receive by the bank the particular check you have drawn to somebody or you have drawn to Anil. Therefore, there are two different treatment given by your accountant and the bank, where the same treatment given to the bank as well as the cash book, no need for a reconciliation. Where there are different treatment given, cash book as well as the bank, we have to go for a reconciliation. Look at here. When the check issued by the Mr. Mohammed's accountant, when he returned the check to Mr. Anil 34,000, definitely he will be reduced our Mohammed account by 34,000, irrespective of whether the person submitted the check or not. The bank will reduce the balance from Mohammed account 34,000 when Mr. Anil submit the check at the bank for a collection. Mr. Anil did not go to bank and the person did not realize the check. Therefore, bank balance increased, our balance decreased. That is why we have to go for a reconciliation. Okay, right. I'm writing here. Mr. Mohammed Mr. Mohammed bank reconciliation statement for the month of January, for the month of January 2021 something. Okay, right. There we know the format. Very difficult to draw line. Sorry. Okay. Bank balance, you have to be careful what I am writing. Bank balance as per the cash book. Bank balance as per the cash book given 74,800. 74,800 record. We have some item to be added together and also some item we have to deduct. Mr. Anil 34,000 not presented. Look at here. When issue the check, this is our accountant. This is the bank. When issue the check by 34,000, our accountant will reduce our balance by 34,000. Agree or not? Our accountant will reduce by 34,000 due to the check. Agree or not?
Okay.
Right, okay. But bank reduced or not? Bank did not reduce because until 3rd March, until 2nd February, Mr. Anil didn't go to the bank. Therefore, we means our accountant reduced, bank did not reduce. Therefore, to find out the bank balance, we have to add the not presented check of 34,000. Are you agree? Okay, understood? Yes? Agree, no? Agree? Right. Check valued of 28,900 deposited at a bank, not realized during the year January 2000. Right. Okay, now look at it. This is the finished one. Next one. Now 28,900 check we are going to deposit in our account. When deposit the check, you will assume that your bank balance will be increased by 28,000 or not when you deposit the check.
Okay.
Yes, you will increase your bank balance. Bank did not increase you because bank send the check to somebody whether they have a fund or not. Here, look at here. You have increased. Bank did not increase. Therefore, to find out the bank balance not present, the check will be reduced. We have discussed. Again, I will repeat. Not realized check of 24,800. Sorry, 28,900. 28,900. Agree? Okay. $28,900. Okay, no? Alright. Third one, a standing order payment of 5,000 rupees not entered in the cash book. Look at here. We have discussed the last class also. You have given the standing order to the bank every month end of that. Say for example, every month 30th. January 30th, February 30th, or March 30th, April 30th, September, October 30th, or whatever the month, every month, end of that particular month or 30th, you pay 5,000 to somebody or pay to insurance corporation. That is the instruction we have given. If that instruction given, the accounting word we are saying standing order. If you are giving the standing order payment, bank will not ask you every day, can I pay 5,000, can I pay 5,000, can I pay 5,000 every month? No, they won't ask. Every month on 30th, they will pay 5,000 rupees to insurance corporation. Every year they will be given. Okay, all right. All right, look at here. Therefore, the bank reduced 5,000 from our bank balance. Bank reduced, we don't know the payment made or not. That is why to recognize the bank balance, we have to reduce by the 5,000 rupees. Reduce 5,000 rupees as a standing order payment. As a standing order payment of 5,000 would be reduced to recognize or to find out the bank balance. When you are starting with a cash balance to bank balance, what we want, that's a simple things. If you miss debit or if you miss add done for deduct it wrongly, your answer also will be wrong. That's why I am saying look at my starting point. I am using the bank balance, using the cash book balance. Now my objective is I want to find out the bank balance, not a cash book. I want to find out the bank statement balance. That's why my objective. Where I am traveling from Kalmune to Oliville or Betty to Kalmune or Colombo to Kandy. That is my traveling. If you are traveling from Kandy to Colombo, what I want to do? Add or deduct. If you are traveling from Colombo to Kandy, you want to add or deduct. Maybe vary. That's why I am telling. Look at the title. Understand every word. Bank balance as per the cash book. If you are using the bank balance, the treatment will be vary. I don't want to deduct 5,000. Sometime I want to add that. That's why I am saying the bank paid 5,000 rupees on behalf of Mr. Muhammad will be reduced by the bank. Okay, understood? Why you are not cooperate with me? You are the good class. Why? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Look at my most interesting class. You are silent. I don't know. After the break, we don't want to have a break. Okay. The fourth one, a check payment of 14,800 recorded in the cash book as 18,400. Look at here, a check payment. They made a check payment of 14,800 instead of the particular accountant recorded as 18,400. Therefore, there is a gap. Look at here, 18,400 minus 14,800. There is a gap of 3,600. 3,600 extra or wrongly debited by the accountant. What is that? A check payment of 14,800 recorded in the cash book as 18,000. Say for example, accountant given the check 14,000. Instead of 14,000, he has recorded 18,000. Therefore, he wrongly recorded by extra 4,000 or something. Okay, right. Therefore, if you recorded more, you will be thinking that your bank balance also will be reduced, but you have wrongly recorded. To recognize the bank balance, the actual amount, here we want to add that amount of 3,600. I'm writing here wrongly. What is that? Wrongly recorded. Wrongly recorded means you want to record 14,800 instead of you have recorded 18,400. You want to record only 14,800 instead of you have recorded 18,400. The gap is 3,600 wrongly recorded in your cash book. This is not done by the bank. Bank perfectly recorded. Bank correctly recorded. Bank perfectly recorded and correctly recorded 14,800. Your accountant recorded instead of 14,800. Your bank account recorded as 18,400. Is it okay? The gap we have to record. The gap 3,600 only taken to add to find out the bank balance. Got it? Understood? Is there any question on that? Asif? 038. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, good. Next one, dividend collected by the bank in favor of Mr. Muhammad 7,500. Look at here. The bank collected dividend of 7,500. Bank directly collected dividend means we have invested in the shares. That is why we are getting the profit other way around. The dividend is profit or dividend is the return we are getting for our shares. Therefore, when the bank collected 7,500, we don't know. Our accountant don't know. That is why our bank balance increased by 7,500. Our bank balance increased by 7,500. Our accountant did not notice that, therefore he did not record. We know our balance. We want to find out the bank balance. To find out the bank balance, 7,500 would be increased. That is why I want to record here dividend collection. Dividend collection of 7,500 would be added with the cash book balance to find out the bank balance. Next one. Next one. A customer directly deposited to Muhammad's account. A customer directly deposited to Mr. Muhammad's account, saw it 6,500, not recorded in the case. But this is also same. We got the dividend on behalf of Mr. Muhammad. Same thing. The person got the loan from us directly. He went to bank and deposited 6,500. Therefore, Mr. Muhammad balance will be increased by 6,000, but our accountant not recorded. To find out the not recorded position to recorded position, 6500 would be added here, direct deposit by the customer. Direct deposit by the customer, 6500 would be added together. Next one. Bank charge 2000 rupees not entered in the cash book. Look at here. This is the bank balance. Bank has charged 2000 rupees from our account because they are rendering the service. They are giving the cash book. They are rendering the service. They are working as an agent on behalf of Mr. Muhammad. That's why they are saying, for our valuable services, we are going to deduct 2000 from you. We are going to deduct 2000 from you. That is why they have deducted 2000. After getting the statement, only you know that bank has reduced 2000 from my bank balance. That is why you don't know before that. Now bank reduced 2000, your accountant did not reduce that. To find out this figure from cash book to bank balance, reduced balance would be reduced to recognize the bank balance from the cash book. This is called bank charges. Therefore, bank charges of 2000 would be reduced to find out the bank balance using a cash book balance. Next one. Bank wrongly credited 10,000 in the Mohammed account instead of another customer. Look at here. We know the word is payable. This is the our accountant work. This is the bank balance. Mr. Mohammed, they have wrongly credited of 10,000. We have to be careful. The word is credited. Credited and debited. The bank debited means bank debited any amount in the customer account, they have reduced from the particular customer's account balance. Bank credited means they have increased by that amount on their customer's account. They have increased means credited, they have decreased means debited. Therefore, they wrongly increased. Look at, bank wrongly credited 10,000 in the Mohammed account instead of another customer. There may be the another Mohammed, Mohammed or Mohammed or whatever the Mohammed. Wrongly they have credited means wrongly increased, but our accountant did not wrongly. Therefore, to find out the bank balance from the cash book balance, we have to add that 10,000. We have to add that 10,000 wrongly. Bank wrongly credited of 10,000. Okay, right. Cash book overcasted balance in the credit side of 4,500. Look at here, our cash book overcasted balance in the credit side. Overcasted in the credit side is we are reducing our balance. Overcasted means instead of 2 records we have recorded 3, or instead of 14,500 we have recorded 19,900 or something. That's why they are saying by 4,500 you have overcasted, you have increased your expenditure by 5,000. That is why they are saying credited. You are saying your bank balance will be reduced by the another 4,000 you are saying, but bank didn't do the wrong made by you. To find out the bank balance, we have to add 4,500 here over casted balance. That's all. That's all. Is there any question on that? Okay, understood. Is there any query on that? Is there any question? Please ask me. Anyone ask me? Okay, please find out the total. Can you find out the total? 34,000, 3,600, 7,500, 6,500, 10,000, 4,500. How much? $66,100. Okay, please calculate. 140,900. Please check. Sometime our answer will be wrong. Please check that. Okay, right now. $34,000, 3,600, 7,500, 6,500, 10,000, 4,000, 66,100. With that I want to add 74,800. Therefore total will be 140,900 minus 28,900, another 5,000, and also another 2,000. Total will be 35,900. Okay, 35,900 would be deducted. Therefore answer will be 105,000. What is the word here we have to write down? Bank balance what is that answer? Bank balance as per the what? As per the yeah
Book. Cash book balance.
no, already I have started. Look at here, balance as per the cash book I have started. Now bank balance as per the what statement?
Bank statement.
Yes, yeah. You look at here. I want to find out the bank balance. Look at bank statement. Look at this is the bank balance. This is also bank balance. Bank balance as per the cash book. I have started with the cash book. The question saying 74,800. Now I have found 105,000 is the bank balance. After adjusted for these adjustments, some item I have added, some item I have deducted, then I have found 105,000 is the what balance? 105 what balance? Bank statement balance. Therefore I have used the cash book balance to recognize the bank statement balance. Now if you are doing the other way around, now you can do the exercises that what is that, how to do that? Bank balance, write down Mr. Mohammed, bank reconciliation statement for the month of January 2001. Bank balance as per the what you have to write down? As per the what is, yes, bank statement. You cannot put 74,000. You want to put how many thousand? How many thousand you want to put here? If you are doing the other method, now I have finished off the first method. If you are doing the other method,
105,000.
yes, 105,000 you want to record it. There is a no change, add and less. What are the item I have deducted would be added. What are the item I have added, then that would be deducted. Then your answer will be how much here? Your answer will be how much? 74,800. Here you want to write down bank balance as per the
Statement.
as per the
Cash book.
yes, very good. As per the cash book. When you are doing this exercise, your answer will be bank balance as per the bank statement. From that, what are the item I have added will be deducted. What are the item deducted would be added. Your answer will be 74,800. in front that you want to write down bank balance as per the cash book. As per the cash book. Okay, what about? I agree? Understood? Okay, clear? Yes? Clear? Anyone? No response. Sumaya. Sifna, okay?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, you want to ask anything? You want to ask anything, you can ask me. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. We will discuss the next class on if you want I will do the overdraft method. If it is difficult I will omit that part. What about? You want this one overdraft? Difficult or we will enough for these two methods? What about? Yeah? Okay. We will, if you want we will discuss next class inshallah. Okay, have a nice
Okay,
day.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.